Friends, today we look MCQ of power system on switch gears and protection. Let's start. How many relays are used to detect interface fault of three line system? Option 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 6. Correct answer is 3. Option 3. Next one. During arc extension, SF6 gets option 1 decomposed into SF4 and SF2, 2 decomposed into S and F ions, 3 reduced to SF2, 4 oxidized. Correct answer is decomposed into SF4 and SF2. Option 1. Next one. Which one of the following relay has the capability of anticipating the possible major fault in a transformer? Option 1 overcurrent relay, 2 differential relay, 3 Buck's relay, 4 overfluxing relay. Correct answer is Buck's relay. Option 3. Next one. Air blast circuit breaker are preferred for option 1 short duty, 2 intermittent duty, 3 repeated duty, 4 none of these. Correct answer is repeated duty. Option 3. Next one. The minimum fuse rating of HRC fuse is option 1 1000 ampere, 200 milliampere, 3 30 ampere, 4 5 ampere. Correct answer is 30 ampere. Option 3. Next one. In order to limit short circuit current in a power system, option 1 isolator are used, 2 reactors are used, 3 HRC fuse are used, 4 earthware are used. Correct answer is reactor are used. Option 2. Next one. The time multiplier for an inverse time relay is option 1 TMS equal to T into Tm, 2 TMS equal to T by Tm, 3 TMS equal to Tm by T, 4 TMS equal to T by root 2 Tm. Correct answer is TMS equal to T by Tm. Option 2. Next one. Why minimum oil circuit breaker has less volume of oil? Option 1 there is insulating between contact. 2 the oil between the breaker contact has greater strength. 3 solid insulating material is provided. 4 none of these. Correct answer is solid insulating material is provided. Option 3. Next one. The lightning arrestor is connected. Option 1 in series with the line, 2 between line and earth, 3 to a pole near the line, 4 to circuit breaker. Correct answer is between line and earth. Option 2. Next one. HRC fuse provided best protection against option 1 open circuit, 2 overload, 3 reverse current, 4 short circuit. Correct answer is short circuit. Option 4. Next one. ELCB are normally used in circuit for option 1 protection against under voltage, 2 protection against over voltage, 3 protection against current leakage, 4 protection against short circuit. Correct answer is protection against current leakage. Option 3. Next one. Phase modifier is normally installed in the case of option 1 short transmission line, 2 medium length lines, 3 long length lines, 4 all length lines. Correct answer is long length lines. Option 3. Next one. The resistance of arc between the contact of circuit breaker is increased by option 1 splitting the arc in number of arc in parallel, 2 shortening the arc, 3 increasing the cross section area of the arc, 4 splitting the arc in number of arcs in series. Correct answer is splitting in arc in number of arcs in series. Option 4. Next one. In term of relays, IDMT relays stands for option 1 inverse direct maximum time lag, 2 inverse definite minimum time lag, 3 inverse definite maximum time tag line lag, 4 none of these. Correct answer is inverse definite minimum time lag. Option 2. Next one. What is the value of resistance required for critical damping during resistance switching of circuit breaker? Option 1, 0.5 into under root L by C, 2 under root L by C, 3 L by C, 4 none of this. Correct answer is option 1. Next one. Plain explosion port used in which type of circuit breaker? Option 1, valve circuit breaker, 2, SF6 circuit breaker, 3, air circuit breaker, 4, vacuum circuit breaker. Correct answer is valve circuit breaker, option 1. Next one. Dash is a series type unbalanced fault that occur in a power system. Option 1, line to line fault, 2, double line to ground fault, 3, single line to ground fault, 4, open current fault. Correct answer is open current fault, option 4. Next one. Why minimum valve circuit breaker has less volume of valve? Option 1, there is insulating between contact. 2, the valve between breaker contact has greater strength. 3, solid insulating material is provided. Option 4, none of these. Correct answer is solid insulating material is provided, option 3. Next one. The re-striking voltage is measured in option 1, RMS value, 2, peak value, 3, instantaneous value, 4, average value. Correct answer is peak value, option 2. Next one. A 100 milliampere current sensing relay is used in an electronic equipment. What will happen if the circuit current is only 50 milliampere? Option 1, relay and thus the equipment will not operate. 2, equipment will operate normally. 3, the equipment will be damaged. 4, the equipment will operate partially. Correct answer is equipment will operate normally, option 2. Thanks for watching my video. Let's do share and subscribe. Thank you.